Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can install the custom skin in the League of Legends game. So this is very simple and easy. First you have to open up your end browser and just open up this link. This link I also give you in the description box so you can easily copy and paste it. Then you have to scroll down and you will see in the assets, you will see the CS LOL Manager Windows.exe second option. So you have to just click on that option and then it will start downloading the exe file of this software. So once it was downloaded, you have to also download the your favorite skins from this website. This website is runefor.io and this website link I also give you in the description box. So you can easily come to this website and just search for the skin that you want. So here if I want to download this skin, I can just click on that. Here you just need to scroll down and you'll see the download this skin option. Just click on that option and then it will redirect you to the new page. Click on the three dot option, click on the download and click on the download anyway. If you want to download the another skin, then you can just simply select the skin, and once it was open here, you just need to scroll down and click on the download this skin option. And once you click on that, now here you just need to click on the download option, then it will start downloading. After that, just drag and drop this all into your desktop, then just extract the zip file, and then here you just need to locate the League of Legends.exe. So you have to just click on the browse option here. You just need to go to the League of Legends, go to the game folder. Here you will see the League of Legends.exe. So you have to just select the League of Legends and then just simply click on the open. Once it was open, so now here you have to just drag and drop these two skins onto your CS LOL manager, and after that you have to just use this skin. So once you just select this skin, just click on the open, and once this skin was open, just select the skins and click on the run option. Once you click on the run, now your League of Legends was open and your skins was also load up, and you are able to play with the skins you downloaded. And guys, if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.